first, fifth question, sixth, seventh, eighth. Any doubt till the eighth question? Anyone having doubt till the eighth question?
No, sir.
Any doubt? Anyone? Okay, we'll start with ninth question. Okay. So it is given x equal to 1 minus root 2, and we have to find the value of x minus 1 upon x, the whole cube. Its value we have to find. So what we will do? First we have to calculate x we have. 1 upon x will be, what will be the value of 1 upon x? 1 upon 1 minus root 2. Is this clear? Now rationalize the denominator. Everyone rationalize the denominator. So by what we have to multiply? By what we have to multiply? Nikita?
Sir, 1 plus root 2.
1 plus root 2. 1 plus 1 plus root 2 we have to multiply numerator and denominator. So it will be 1 plus root 2 divided by 1 minus 2. It will be 1 plus root 2 divided by minus 1. Or we can say minus 1 plus root 2. 1 upon x equal to minus 1 plus root 2. Is this clear? Okay. Now we will calculate x minus 1 upon x. 1 upon x we have calculated, x we have. X minus 1 upon x we will calculate. What is x? 1 minus root 2. Minus, again, minus 1 plus root 2. So minus minus it will be plus, minus, minus it will be plus. It will be how much? 1 minus root 2 plus 1 plus root 2. How much we are getting? Root 2 minus root 2 plus root 2. 0. 1 plus 1, 2. We have calculated x minus 1 upon x. Its value is 2. Now its cube we have to take. X minus 1 upon x, the whole cube. X minus 1 upon x, the whole cube. Its value will be 2 cube.
So then 2 cube equals to 8.
8. Understood?
Yes.
So
sir.
see here, such questions, we can, x is given, 1 upon x we will calculate. 1 upon x we calculated. Now, x minus 1 upon x we will calculate. Then, x minus 1 upon x, the whole cube. And we will get the answer. Understood? Okay, 10th one, anyone in class, how we are going to do? 10th one.
Can I do?
How we are going to do? Can we use any identity there? X is given. So x is
So you want to take 1 upon x.
okay, we will calculate 1 upon x. Then x is there. Okay, we have calculated 1 upon x. 1 upon 5 minus 2 root 6. And we have to rationalize it.
Yes, sir.
So what it should be multiplied with?
5 plus 2 root.
Sir, 5 plus 2 root 6.
So numerator will multiply 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by 5 plus 2 root 6. Okay. 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by how much it will be? 25 minus 2 root 6 square. So 4 into 6. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Anyone?
Yes, sir.
If you have doubt, anyone, ask immediately. Don't ask after the completion of the question. Better ask whenever the doubt arises, ask immediately. Okay, so it will be how much? 5 plus 2 root 6. It will be 5 plus 2 root 6. We have got the value of 1 upon x. X we have 1 upon x. Now next what we are going to do? Anyone else? Next what we have to do?
Sir, 1 upon x equals to 5 plus 2 root 6. Then x minus 1 upon x equals to 5 minus 2 root 6 minus 5
But
minus 2 root 6.
we have to calculate x square plus 1 upon x square. How we are going to calculate that?
First, we can find x minus 1 upon x equals to 4 root 6.
Okay, we'll find then. Okay, just don't write these things for timing. We have found x upon x minus 1 upon x. Okay, then
This is a 5 minus 2 root 6, 5, so
okay,
5 plus 2 root 6.
we have calculated its value. Then what we are going to do? We have calculated its value. Then what we have to do?
Put x value and 1 upon x value.
Okay, okay. See here, what we have to calculate?
X minus 1 upon x.
X square plus 1 upon x square. This we have to calculate. Its value we have to find. Okay, its value we have to find. And see here, 5 minus 2 root 6. 5 plus 2 root 6. X value is 5 minus 2 root 6. And 1 upon x value is 5 plus 2 root 6. Okay. Now, either we can calculate x plus 1 upon x, x minus 1 upon x, which should be easy. This one will be easy because 2 root 6 minus 2 root 6, 2 root 6 will cancel. Okay. How we from this, how we can calculate this one? You have understood, you have seen the identity a plus b, the whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, if I am writing x plus 1 upon x, the whole square. X plus 1 upon x, the whole square. X square plus 1 upon x square plus 2ab. 2 into x into 1 upon x. They get cancelled. What we have got? 2. Understood this one? Anyone have doubt here?
No, sir.
Anyone doubt? No?
Yes, sir.
Yes? What's the doubt? So, x plus 1 upon x, x square plus 1 upon x square. And its value we have to find. Its value we have to find. So, how we can write? X square plus 1 upon x square equal to x plus 1 upon x, the whole square, plus 2. X plus 1 upon x, the whole square, plus 2. Understood this one? Okay, put the value of x and 1 upon x. X value is 5 minus 2 root 6 plus 1 upon x. 5 plus 2 root 6. Okay, here it will be minus. It will be minus. We are taking 2 on that side, so it will be minus. All square minus 2. Pay attention in the class. Whenever I make mistake, just let me know. Okay. Now see here. So 5 plus 5, 10 minus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 6, 0 and square. 10 square minus 2. 100 minus 2. How much we got? 98. Okay. So first observe the question. That is x square plus 1 upon x square we have to calculate. Okay. How we can calculate its value? If we expand x plus 1 upon x, the whole square equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. Using this, we can calculate. Okay. So always remember this, x square plus 1 upon x square can be calculated using this equation. Using this equation. Understood? And we could have calculated x minus 1 upon x as well. From that as well, we could have got x square or its square. We would have got the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. You can use any of these. And understood this question? Any doubt anywhere?
No,
Ninth
sir.
question and 10th question. Any doubt? Anyone having doubt? Okay, no doubt.
Yes, sir.
Sir, boy is not visible.
Yes means you are having doubt. So ask.
Sir, from that x square plus 1 by x square is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square. Yes, sir. At this a little bit problem.
Understood or you are having doubt here?
Yes, sir.
What yes?
I have a doubt here.
Then ask what this equation you understood?
Sir, in the equation given above, you wrote plus 2, then below you wrote minus 2.
Okay. See here. We have to calculate its value. Okay. So one more step you can write. X plus 1 upon x the whole square. 2 I am taking from right hand side to left hand side. Minus 2 equal to x square upon 1 upon x square. Understood this one?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we have just changed left hand side, interchanging there. Understood? Everyone have understood? So I have missed one step. Okay. See here in these questions, wherever you have doubt, do ask immediately, or else afterwards you will have the bigger doubt. Okay. Yes.
Sir, can we do the same question with some other method?
Yes, you can solve what will be the other method.
So
Okay.
my method was, so we got the value of 1 upon x, that is 5 plus 2
Okay,
root
got-
6, and we get it square.
Okay, so you are doing x square and 1 upon x square.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that will be very lengthy.
No, sir, not so lengthy. I got the answer very easily.
Okay. So you have to do it square.
Yes, sir, I taken it square.
X square as well you have to do. Then they
Yeah.
will cancel out.
No, sir, first I got the square of x, then I got the square of 1 upon x, and then I added it.
Okay, added them and they cancel out.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's way as well you can do, no issues. But here the minimum amount of calculations, not much square, not much calculations are there. Okay. These identity, if you remember, you can solve. Okay. Any method you can use, that's up to you. Okay. Now 11th question. Show that this one. Okay, do it yourself. Do it fast. Do this. So in every term, 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 2, rationalize it. Second term as well, rationalize it. Third term as well, rationalize it. Fourth, fifth, all rationalize it. You get the answer. Do it fast, everyone. In your notebook, start solving. Still I have the mode. Rationalize every term separately. Rationalize every term separately. So we are having, okay, 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 2. This is first term minus 1 upon 2 root 2 minus 7 plus 1 upon root 7
minus root 7.
minus root 7. Thank you. Keep doing it in your notebook. Minus root 7. Root 7 minus root 6. Okay. Next terms I am writing here. minus 1 upon root 6 minus root 5 plus 1 upon root 5 minus 4. We have to show this equal to 5, so we are taking left hand side first, okay? Equal to 5, I am not writing, we have to show. So, we have taken left hand side. LHS equal to this function. So, 1 upon 3 root minus 2 root 2, 1 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 minus 7 plus 1 upon root 7 minus 6 minus 1 upon root 6 minus root 5 plus 1 upon root 5 minus 2. Okay, so in examination as well, while doing the question, when you copy the question, okay, when you copy any question, check it once. Sometimes there may be mistake in copying. For example, I make mistake here. I made a mistake here, and now solving, I'll make the, it will be a wrong. It will get wrong. So always check once whether you have copied correctly or not. Okay. Now see here, this is the left hand side. Now we are going to rationalize every term. Every term we are going to rationalize. So first term it will multiply with what? 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2. Second term it will be multiplied with 2 root 2 plus root 7. 2 root 2 plus root 7. Understood this one? We have to rationalize the denominator so that we can solve. Into root 7 plus root 6. Root 7 plus root 6. Okay. Now this one fourth term into root 6 plus root 5. Root 6 plus root 5. Into root 5 plus 2. Root 5 plus 2. Any doubt here? So such questions we have to always rationalize the denominator first. If it's irrational, we have to rationalize. Okay? Every denominator we have rationalized. Now what will be the answer? First one. First term answer 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 3 square. How much it will be? 3 into 3, 9 minus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2. So 2 root minus 2 root 2 square. How much? 2 square 4, 4 into 2, 8. Understood this one? Minus 2 root 2 plus root 7. 2 root 2 square, we already done, 8. Minus root 7 square, minus 7. Plus root 7 plus root 6. Okay, again 7 minus 6. Okay. Next term minus root 6 plus root 5 divided by 6 minus 5. Again plus root 5 plus 2. It will be 5 minus 4. Anyone have doubt? What haven't understood? Okay. So what will be the denominators? 1. 8 minus 7. 1. 7 minus 6. 1. 6 minus 5. 1. 5 minus 4. 1. Okay. Understood this one? Next step. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus also this 4. 2 root 7 plus 7. Have you understood this step? Because this minus sign is for both. Plus root 7 plus root 6. So we choose here with the plus sign. Minus sign again. Root 6 plus root 5. Plus root 5 plus 2. Understood? Now we can open the bracket. Three plus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 7 minus 7 plus, as we'll check whether I made a mistake or not, minus root 6 minus root 5 plus root 5 plus 2. Now we are going to cancel the terms. Which all terms are getting cancelled? One minute.
Yes.
Root 7.
Sir,
Roots. 1 minute here. Root 7. Okay. First term. 2 root 2 it is. Okay. Is this clear? Okay. Now we are going to cancel that. Yes, any doubt? Okay. So plus root 2 minus root 2. 0. These two terms. Plus root 2 minus root 2 0. Minus root 7 plus root 7. Again 0. Root 6 minus root 6 0. Minus root 5 plus root 5 0. What is remaining? 3 plus 2. That is how much? 5. So left hand side equal to right hand side equal to 5. Hence shown. Understood? Any doubt? So these are only calculations. We have to rationalize the denominator first. We have rationalized the denominator, then just the calculations. If you know the basics of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, it's very easy to solve. Understood? Any doubt? Any doubt in this question? 11. Okay, 12th one, do as homework. 12th one, do as homework. Okay, this is in type provided you. So, see here how you are going to first you have to rationalize root 3 minus root 2 plus 1. How you are going to rationalize this one? How you are going to rationalize this one? Anyone in class? You have to rationalize this one first. We are having 3 terms in the denominator. How we are going to rationalize this one? Anyone in class?
Sir, we will take root 3 minus root 2 as A and plus 1 as B.
Okay. Okay, so all using that one. Or say here, minus is there. I can use this one equal to 1 upon root 3 minus root 2 minus 1. It is more easy to solve this one. You can write it like this. Now rationalize root 3 plus root 2 minus 1. Root 3 plus root 2 minus 1. So it's square. Next term root 3 plus root 2 minus 1. Root 3 square minus root 2 minus 1 square. Solve it again. It's square to the square solve. Okay. This is homework. Try it. Okay. Make other combinations as well. Try it and solve. Okay. We'll discuss it tomorrow. Okay. Do it as homework as well. 13th one. 13th one as well do as homework. So first part we solve in class, others do as homework. Okay. 13th one first. How we are going to solve? It is, see here, if root 2 equal to 1.4, value is given, root 2 value we have to take 1.4. Okay. See here, root 2 is irrational number, but its value we are only taking 1.4 up to 1 decimal place only. It is, but in reality, value of root 2, it is non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. Root 3, 1.7 we are going to take. Find the value of each of the following, correct up to 1 decimal place. Okay, first one, 1 upon root 3 minus 2. This we have to solve. So we will be rationalize the denominator first. How to rationalize the denominator? Root 3 plus root 2. Root 3 plus root 2. Root 3 plus root 2 divided by how much? Root 3 square minus root 2 square. How much we are getting? Root 3 plus root 2 divided by 3 minus root 3 plus root 2. And you got the answer 1.7 plus 1.4. So it will be how much? 3.1. We have to correct up to one decimal place. It is already we are getting up to one decimal place. Rest of them you can do as homework. So second one you can
Sir, doubt.
rationalize. Yes.
Sir, how this root 3 plus root 2 upon bracket root 7 square comes, sir?
7 square. It is root 3. It is 3. Okay. Any doubt? Second one as well, rationalize it. After rationalizing, put the values. Third one as well, you can rationalize by multiplying with root 3. By multiplying with root 3. You can rationalize the denominator. Okay. 14th one, do it now. 14th one, do it now. 14th and 15th will be doing. 14th one, everyone do. Take the LCM of them. You will get the answer. It is
Completed.
like, 14th one. See here, it is like this. A minus B divided by A plus B. It is plus sign. Plus A plus B divided by A minus B. So what will be the LCM of them? Understood this one? Here A minus B the whole square plus A plus B the whole square. Understood this one? Okay. You have understood this one? Okay, solve it as homework. You can solve it. Okay, if you don't get it, ask tomorrow in class. You can solve this one. Take the LCM. We'll be solving 14th and 15th tomorrow in class. 14th you understood how to solve. Anyone in class who is not able to solve 14th? Okay, 15th one, x and y are given. X square minus y square. We have to calculate the value of x square minus y square. Either, so how we are going to, this can be written as x plus y into x minus y. So x plus y you solve, x minus y you solve, then multiply it. X plus y, very small value will come. Okay, so 14th and 15th, up to 15th, try to complete the exercise. If you don't get it, we will discuss in class tomorrow. You got the hints, how to solve that. You got it? Any doubt? Anyone having doubt? So you can complete up to 15th.